Hi, my name is Dr. Sridath Panak. I am a PhD from Massachusetts Institute of Technology and I'm also a graduate from IIT Madras. Today, I am incredibly excited to announce the release of our new minor in Artificial Intelligence and minor in Generative AI. These are a set of courses for taking you from complete beginner to industry level professional in AI as well as generative AI. These are live office hour based courses. When you are asking a prompt to ChatGPT, do you know what exactly is going on underneath it? You may have heard of transformer architecture, but do you know exactly what are the building blocks of a transformer? If you are using a multimodal LLM, which can take text or image as the input, and when you are getting the desired output, do you know what's happening behind it? Even behind the simplest of neural networks, there are a lot of calculations and mathematical operations going on, which has its foundations in linear algebra, probability, statistics, calculus, optimization, etc. You have to know optimization. You have to know above everything how to implement all of this in Python. The way in which AI is taught in engineering colleges as well as universities is not correct. There is no emphasis on foundations. People know how to use API, people know how to run models for inference, but they don't know how models work underneath. Then how will you build something for your own application or for your own company? As part of this program, you will start with the mathematical foundations, then you will move on to machine learning and deep learning mastery. You will learn about computer vision and natural language processing, and the minor in AI will end with a capstone project in machine learning or deep learning. Likewise, in generative AI, we will start with generative AI foundations. We will move on to building your own large language model from scratch. Then you will learn about how large language models work in deployment in production. Following that, you will be working on a capstone project. In the capstone project, you will work on an idea which is a proof of concept or proof of product which you may want to build later as your own company. All of this will be taught by faculties such as myself and other instructors who are graduates from MIT, Purdue, IIT Madras, etc. You will be interacting with us as part of live office hours. There will be exams, there will be assignments, pop quizzes, mid-semester and end-semester exams to make sure that we are evaluating you on a timely basis. Our upcoming cohort is starting on January 31st of 2026. So if you are someone who has heard of a lot of models, who has always struggled to learn about these things, this is the perfect program for you, because you can start as a complete beginner and by the end of the program, you will be a transformed individual. You will be part of a live cohort who will be coming from different parts of the world, from the US, India, UK, and elsewhere. You can conduct discussions with them and exchange knowledge. And this will also be a great networking opportunity. We started this program almost 1 year ago and we had excellent feedback from more than 400 students and industry professionals have graduated from our earlier cohorts. People have even mentioned how this program has helped them in their job transition to being an AI or generative AI engineer in top companies like Anthropic. The ratings also have been incredibly mind-blowing with more than 4.9 star rating out of all the reviews that we received in 2025. I welcome you to be part of this and learn something which you have always wanted to learn but never got the opportunity to. And I'm looking forward to seeing you starting from 31st of January. So come join the program. You can find the details in the link below. Thank you so much.